Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Canva clone video timeline and image editor that I built inside the browser, and it is entirely built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it's a static app which runs without server. You can access this at this URL freemediatools.com/video editor, and it's a passive income tool that I developed, and you can earn a lot of money by placing advertisements right here. And this is actually the live demo. You can simply go to this URL freemediatools.com/video editor. This is my website right here, and this is actually the tool similar to Canva. Canva also provides you for editing images, videos directly inside browser. So this is actually you can change the canvas color using this color picker, and here you can actually make YouTube thumbnails. You can edit your videos directly in the browser, and here you can change the canvas settings such as the width and the height. So by default it's set to 180. Let me change it to 1280 and 720. So as soon as you change the dimensions, you will see the canvas will be updated, and from this you can change the color of the canvas right here. And then now we have the option to actually click the template section right here. So as soon as you select the templates, you will be able to select templates as well. So this is actually the timeline that you see right here. So this is actually the timeline editor, and here you can add text right here by going to the text menu, and then you can actually add your text, control it with your mouse right here. You can see. So you can place this text accordingly, and then we have a set of options. You can click the plus icon right here to add another thing, and if you want to remove it, you can just simply click the cross icon and you will see the timeline appearing, and by default it appears for 5 seconds. And here you can change the color of the text. You can see that. So you can align the text in the left position, center, right. You can underline it, change to italic, bolded. So all these things you can do this. And then we also have set of emojis you can place. You can put shapes right here as well, so you can control the color of it. And using this timeline you can actually control when this shape basically, so you can see it appears at. So this timeline allows you to place your objects greatly. And also let me show you, if this website I have approved using Google AdSense and Ezoic. So Google AdSense, if you see, I'm earning a lot of passive income daily by placing advertisements. This is the day-to-day data right here. And also we have the Ezoic network as well. So you will see it is giving me passive income. You can see every day. So the link is given in the description. If you need the source code of this Canva video image timeline editor, you can go to my description where I given the full source code of this project. So this is entirely built as a static tool. So once you purchase it, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, where you will actually get a zip file, which will, if you extract the zip file, you will get this directory structure. So each file will contain, you will see this is actually the CSS code right here of this editor. This is the JavaScript code which is there. So we have used some open source packages for building this entire video timeline editor. This is the main file here, index.html. So you can directly open with live server, so you can test it out locally. So now this editor will open. You will see now it is open directly locally. I am opening it. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code as well. So you will get to see how I developed this. So you can see it's entirely 2000 lines of code. So this is the HTML code, and this is actually the JavaScript packages that we used here. and it doesn't use server side at all, so it runs at a static site. You can easily deploy this to a shared hosting plan as well. So hostinger, you can choose any basic hosting, you can deploy all these files to deploy this editor to your website, and this will appear like this. And you can even hire a developer to simply customize the look and feel of that. So once you can rank on Google, you will see all these templates will be there, and you can play this. Once you are interested, you will see this download button right here, and you can download this as a WebM video, animated GIF file, or an image. So let me all just download this as a image. So we have a different option. We can download this as a WebP, JPG, PNG. So let me download this as a. So in this way, it's a complete image video timeline editor. If you see, we can even download this as a animated GIF. So this will actually create the GIF file right here. If you see, it is creating it, then it will export this as a GIF file. So you will see that. So we can even export this into a video as well. You will see we have three options: video, GIF, or image. So video as well, it will create this, rendering this video, you will see, and then the video will be created and you will be able to play the videos. So it's a fully timeline editor, and it's a great static tool for passive income. Once you can actually deploy this on your website, you just need to get the approval of Google AdSense or Ezoic or any ad network, and you can place advertisements and earn a lot of revenue. So you can see that. So these are different layers having in this template here: text, shapes, and you can align this to any dimensions. We have set of dimensions which are there: 16 by 9. You can actually one click, you can 9 by 16, 4 by 3. This is for different social media networks. 12 by 80 is for YouTube, this is for Instagram. So you can align this accordingly, and if you want to clear the canvas, there is a clear button as well. So once you click this button, all the things will be deleted. And the nice thing is that at the checkout page, I've given the link where you can try this tool. First of all, by visiting this website. So just try this if you are interested in purchasing it. So first of all, try this tool, just use it. And if you are interested, then only you can purchase it. And here you can upload your custom images. So here you can actually select your own images that you need. So you'll see that. So you can place the images. We change the. You can place your custom images and then convert those images into video. So this is one image that I added right here. You can see the timeline. So this image appears for 4 seconds. And you can even change this duration by going to this duration. By default, each image that you add is, it appears for 4 seconds. Let me change this value to 2. So now this only appears for 2 seconds, this image. And now if I want to add another image, I will simply say we need to add another image. So this can be, let's suppose, another image that we added. So this should appear after. You can see that. So these are two different images. You can control this using this nice little timeline editor that we got. You can see how easy it is. So if you want to clear the canvas, you can click the clear button. Here you can control it. And by default guys, this templates, if you go to the template section, if I deployed this on free media, sometimes you will get this error, the templates will not be loaded. So you will see in the local version these templates will be ready-made available, so don't need to worry about it. Sometimes the hosting will not allow you to render those templates, but in the local version you will see all the templates are perfectly appearing. So the code is correct. So if you see in in this version, if the template doesn't appear, you don't need to worry about it, because in the local version, the source code that you will get, the templates will be ready-made available. So if you go to the templates, we have third-party templates right here. You can even create your own templates as well, so you can import, export, everything you can do. And this is actually a fully timeline editor, you will see that. So you can export your images into video, it will render this video. So you can try this by visiting that URL. I will also give the link in the description of this video. So you can try this. If you are interested, then you can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase this tool. And after purchasing, you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get this source code. It doesn't require any server, it simply works in the browser, and it's some like Canva clone. You will see this full source code you will get. You just need a simple editor and simply open with live server to simply open this project locally, so it will simply run in the browser. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.